All right, Ron, come down the hallway this way, and we're walking into the principal bedroom. And I tell you, I'm loving, as we talked about before, hardwood floors are in this house throughout.
Yeah.
And when they get restored, man, is it going to make it pop. You know, for a 1,200 square foot house, this is really not that bad of a size of a bedroom for 1,200 square feet.
It's actually a larger bedroom. I see it's got its own closet.
And actually, you got two closets.
Yeah, one here and one there.
Right?
Which
actually, there's three closets. There's one that we walked in.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Exactly. So, I mean, for this size house, this is a lot of closet space.
Yes, it is. So, same old thing in here. You already got all the walls painted. You got the floors finished. So, there's nothing else to talk about in here.
Exactly.
However, this bathroom.
Oh, my word.
Okay. We got to see this bathroom.
So, come take a look at this bathroom. My lands.
Take a look at weird.
So, you come into the bathroom. There's two ways to get in.
Yeah, there's two bathrooms.
You can come in from the bedroom, or you can come in from the hall.
Yeah. I know what the deal is here. So we got a bathroom over here, and we got here, and we got a door in the middle. This is so we can sit down and talk to each other. While we're doing our thing. No?
Oh my word.
So I suggested that you take this whole door out here and make this a solid wall.
Right, you take that out, so then you've got a bona fide half bath.
Yeah.
Because here you've got another toilet, and you've got a vanity.
Yeah.
And you got a bona fide half bath.
And that's all you need for the rest of the house.
Exactly.
Oh, wait a minute. This is the only tub in the house, though.
That's right. So bath and a half.
That's why they got this door here. So they don't have to go through the bedroom to get into the bathroom.
Ah, there you go. So what do we need to do about that?
What are you asking me for? It's your house.
Well,
don't have anything to do with
but you know
the
what?
repair estimate.
You know, no, this ain't gonna change the repair estimate.
Yeah.
But you know, one thing that you talk about every now and then, Ron, is examples of functional obsolescence.
Yeah.
And if you have to go through a bedroom to get to the to use the tub,
take a shower,
take a shower, that's pretty functionally obsolete.
Yeah, but two of these doors, they fight with each other.
Right. But you know what? The good news is I'm going to let Beth, the interior designer, and the general contractor figure it out.
Yeah. Well, good. Lay it off on them. Either way, you got new cabinets and...
yeah, we need to put a dollar figure on this bathroom.
This one don't look bad, though. You can keep that.
By the time I spend labor on getting it painted, I might as well. It's so small.
Oh, for crying out loud. $20 worth of labor.
Yeah.
Well, no, it's got... No, that cleans right up. There ain't nothing wrong with that sink.
Right.
And there ain't really nothing wrong with that faucet either.
And now look here how you got a rotten wood cabinet.
Yeah.
Here at the end of your shower. That's messed up.
It ain't rotten, just peeling. Yeah.
But
you know what? Even that can be fixed.
Right.
If they, I don't know, they might be able to fix it, but I just hate pulling that cabinet out of that wall, that's all.
Right.
You're gonna have to redo the wall as well. Might consider just leaving the cabinet alone.
Good news is it doesn't change our repair estimate.
That is correct.
So this tub, I might not even have to reglaze this tub.
Oh, you will.
But if I reglaze the tub, there's nothing to reglaze up here because this is not porcelain.
You need to cover those walls. I'd do tile.
That's a good idea.
8-inch square shiny tiles and a border right around here in the middle of the tile. And that'd make it look really, really sharp.
Yeah, I can reglaze, you know, normally we budget $450 for reglazing tubs. I'm not gonna spend $450 on this.
Yes, you are.
Just on the tub. You think so?
I do. And you definitely got to have it reglazed. Time you get through, you got $1,000 right here.
Right.
You got all new faucets,
no doubt.
Tile, and then they don't even include this. And I swear, I'd keep the sink. How you gonna buy one any better?
Well, it may be
paint this cabinet.
Yeah, maybe maybe hard to find one to fit.
That cabinet's savable.
So
save the toilet.
How about the vanity and that half bath on the other side of the door?
These replaced.
So we got.
Oh no, the top is fine.
Top's good.
Just need a cabinet.
Need a cabinet. So
or just paint that one. Right. Solid wood.
So what have we got in this bathroom or both these bathrooms? $1,500 max?
I'd say max.
Yeah.
Not counting the floors and the...
No, and we already got that budget.
Walls and the ceiling.
All right, well, Carol Joy, let's put $1,500 down for the bathroom.
Yeah.
Since that's a major component.
And this is the kind of ugly register you sure want to replace.
Oh, yeah. In fact, we'll replace all the registers.
New shower curtain. You gotta have flowers or chickens or something on
My
it.
lands. To make you happy, that's right, Rod.
Yeah, okay, all right.
All right, well, this is the last room. Let's go back to the living room and do a recap.
All right, so this is where we do the math.
Yep.
This is where we find out how good you are.
Right. Yeah. And can I exit now before we do this?
No. So Carol, Joy.
Yes.
Let's go down the list, because we got some things here that are still optional. All right, let's go down the list.
The roof, 8,000.
That wasn't optional.
All right,
All right, we got 8,000.
Flooring, 6,000.
Yep, and that was $5 per square foot, regardless of what we do. So that's 6,000, right?
yep.
Exterior paint, 2,500.
And so you're really pushing on the vinyl siding, but given the spread,
Put the paint in, and then we'll put on the side, we'll add 5,000 if he wants to do siding. So we'll have two different bids.
okay, so 2,500 for the exterior paint,
Yep, which is what most contractors would do.
right?
Interior paint, including garage, is 3,500.
Yep, 3,500 because we're painting the garage,
And there's no HVAC needed.
right?
Kitchen, 6,000.
6,000 on the kitchen, and we won't spend that in the kitchen. All right, 6,000,
1,500 on bathroom.
1,500 on bathroom.
And that includes both of them.
Yeah, the one under the half.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Rotten wood, did we find any rotten wood?
No, we didn't identify any rotten wood.
Electric, did y'all put anything or that?
No, we didn't put
Just
anything for
miscellaneous right
electric.
now?
Whatever the electrician does is gonna be,
Nothing but the plugs and,
right.
Okay. The windows, 19 of them, 6,000.
6,000 on the windows,
Garage, no repairs.
right?
No basement.
Right.
because we had the paint in the paint.
That's right, we added $500 to the interior paint.
Okay, what about the garage door?
Did you put down the garage door $1,000?
Let's see, I think I did, yes, down here on.
No, we're just not to it
In the
yet.
other.
Okay,
Am I adding that now, or are you not to it
If
yet?
you want to.
All right, I'm adding $1,000 for the garage door.
No basement, no foundation problems, no, let's see, plumbing, did y'all come up with a number
No.
on plumbing?
well, we,
And there may be some
we don't need any,
miscellaneous,
really,
but it's not gonna be a major line.
unless
Okay.
you guys decide to move that washer and dryer hookup.
We're
Right.
gonna move it.
Well, that would still be miscellaneous.
Okay,
Yes, we will.
driveway, we put 5,000.
5,000 on the driveway. What did we decide to, we did concrete.
Yeah,
Yeah, 5,000.
we didn't decide anything.
Then the garage door, 1,000,
I got that.
and that's, then just miscellaneous is all the other stuff.
Okay,
All
so what
right,
did
so
your
we're,
majors come up to?
so the majors are $39,500 are the majors. And so now we gotta just add to that the important figure,
I'll give you my
miscellaneous.
I'll write it down.
You're right.
I'm not looking.
Don't look.
Now, while Ron is writing down his miscellaneous estimate, his rule of thumb is you want to add a minimum of 20% of the total cost of the majors. Add that as the miscellaneous. So, for example, we're at $39,500 now. Call it $40,000 for easy figuring on the majors. So, a minimum of 20% of $40,000 would be $8,000. Well, there's more miscellaneous in this house than $8,000. I mean, we're going to have all new landscaping, all new light fixtures, etc. So the majors are $40,000 for easy figuring. Minimum of 20% would be another $8,000 for miscellaneous. And am I going to tell you what the contractor did?
Go right ahead.
All right. So the contractor bid without the driveway was $42,000. So adding the driveway, we're going to be at $47,000.
What else did we add that your contractor didn't?
What else did we do? Do you remember? I'm drawing a blank.
You have the,
Of course, we don't have the vinyl siding in there yet.
Well, we don't own my bid either.
Right.
Okay, all right. So you're with you would be at 47.
47. I think we should budget 50.
50.
50,000. Is that what you had in totality?
50. Right up there.
Awesome.